In this video, we'll dive into how to use TeamGate CRM for sales management and explore whether it's the right tool to boost your sales team's efficiency. Stay tuned until the end for a big surprise. I'll be sharing an exclusive offer and some alternatives that might suit your needs even better. So, what's TeamGate CRM all about? It's a tool designed to help sales teams organize their workflows, track leads, and ultimately close deals more effectively. If you're struggling to manage customer interactions and streamline your sales process, TeamGate promises to be a solid option. The first thing to understand about TeamGate CRM is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some CRMs that can overwhelm you with endless features, TeamGate keeps things simple with a clean dashboard. You'll find your sales pipeline front and center, which is essential for staying on top of your deals. It makes tracking progress at each stage easy, and for smaller teams or businesses just starting out, this straightforwardness can be a big time saver. Next thing, TeamGate offers a centralized place to manage contacts. Every person in your sales funnel can have their own profile with detailed notes, communication history, and custom fields. This allows sales teams to personalize their outreach and maintain a strong relationship with leads. However, while it's a solid CRM for contact management, its customization options are a little limited compared to some of the more advanced competitors out there. For example, you may find it a bit restrictive if you're in need of complex reporting or highly specific workflows. The third thing to consider is TeamGate's automation features. The software allows you to set up tasks and reminders for follow-ups, making sure you never miss a beat. It also integrates with email and calendar apps, which helps streamline communication. But to be fair, there are other CRM options, like HubSpot or Pipedrive, that offer a broader range of integrations and more advanced automation workflows that could suit larger teams or businesses with more complex needs. The fourth thing you'll want to know about TeamGate is its analytics and reporting capabilities. These are crucial for understanding your sales team's performance. TeamGate provides some basic reports on leads, sales, and opportunities, but if you're looking for detailed analytics or the ability to create fully custom reports, you might hit a wall. This is a bit of a downside if you rely heavily on data-driven decision-making. Now, here's the thing, while TeamGate CRM is solid, there are other options out there that might be a better fit, depending on your business goals. For example, if you're after a CRM with deeper customization and better automation features, Salesforce and Pipedrive might be better choices. They offer more advanced integrations, and their reporting tools are a step up, allowing for more in-depth insights into your sales data. Finally, if you're serious about improving your sales management and looking for something that balances ease of use with powerful features, I've got an exclusive offer for you. By clicking the link in the description, you'll not only get a free extended trial of TeamGate, but also access to some incredible alternatives that are better suited for more complex sales operations. These competitors are also offering free trials, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, if you're ready to take your sales management to the next level, don't miss out on this opportunity. Check out the link below for the best free trial and extra perks.